Hello everyone, welcome back with the Solidworks basic tutorial how to change units. Okay, first in here I will create a simple 3D object. You can click sketch and I will choose a top plane. The next we can draw a rectangle objects in here, and then I will use extrude bus or base to convert these rectangle objects into 3D model. Okay, you can move to the top, and then in here we use units in millimeter, and you can click OK. The next we can set dimension into these 3D models. You can click MDB dimensions and you can click size dimension. Okay, I will click at this point 8 and you can move into here. So you can see the size is 62,77 millimeter. So if you want to change these objects into inch or the other units, you can click this gear icon and you can click a document set document properties tab. The next click units, and for example we can change into inch, IPS, inch, pound and seconds. You can click OK. So the object will be automatically changed into inch, like about 2.47 inch. You can change again into millimeter. You can click these gear icons and you can change unit into millimeter. So it will be changed at this point. You can see, you can click OK, and then it will be changed into 62,77 millimeter. Okay, enough today for Solidworks basic tutorial how to change unit. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.